Alright guys, just got this in the mail. I only paid about $9 Australian for this free delivery. So we're going to see how it goes. I've had something very similar and it was pretty good. In fact, it wasn't even mine, it was my brother's. I just borrow it off him every time I go code. But yeah, pretty much it's either 1998 or 2003. Most cars will link up with this. No manual by the looks of things, but you do get a QR code. So we're going to scan that QR code and I'm going to walk you through how painless or painful that process is. I'm going to screen record that. Alright guys, so first things first is you're going to have to get the QR code to scan. I actually found I had to turn the screen recorder off for this, but this is, you don't actually need a QR code app. I didn't know that till like last year. I've been downloading all these bloody viruses onto my phone probably through these third-party apps. Then select the device you need, in my case Android for my El Cheapo. You're going to have to download anyway, it might be harmful, but you know what. If you're clearing codes on your bloody second-hand beast, you don't have the sort of money to be worried about those sort of things. When this comes up, you need to click on more options and then download anyway. Then you'll be able to get the app to come up like this. Go through, just allow all the permissions so it actually works. And then you're going to allow anyway. Now you've got your little app going, you're just going to have to pair with your vehicle. So they've got like a little weed stash there, and then you've got your OBD2 function. There's not. What else would you possibly put in that little cubby there? Like, what else would you possibly do? Unless they knew the car wasn't going to be that good, and then this just goes in there because they know you're going to need it. You're going to need that chill in there for the rest of the time. So anyway, let me just chuck that on. Oh, yes it does. Now these are weird, sometimes you need to turn them on, sometimes... Okay, so we've got the thing going, so we're just going to clear for codes. Check for codes. But that's to be expected. No fault codes, which is good. Real-time information. Cool, it's at 35 degrees, which is cool. Vacuum. It's about 10 years newer. This is a 2022 Hyundai Venue. So yeah, it's live action on the old rev meter. Adapter status. Check for fault codes. Tap here to check for fault codes. No fault codes, which is good. So yeah, again, I haven't got any up on the thing, but I thought I was buying something else on eBay, and I thought, well, I always wait until I need a code scanner until I buy one. Then I have to buy one for 120 bucks at Super Cheap Auto, and then it goes walkabout somehow. Let's get one before there's any codes and have it in the car in case something does go wrong. But you can always pull it out of lit mode. So let's see this real-time information. Yeah, no, it all seems fairly accurate. Coolant about half on the gauge as well. Yeah, I'd say it's $9 well spent, honestly. If you can find me a better product for about $9, it's car related, I will buy it.